Is sharing your credit card details online still giving you anxiety? Do you wish there was a way to pay for things on the internet with the security and anonymity of cash? Well, that's exactly what a virtual PaysafeCard allows you to do. And in this video, we'll walk you through, step by step, on how to get one safely and securely online in just a few minutes. A virtual PaysafeCard is essentially a prepaid online voucher or code. It lets you make purchases on thousands of websites without ever needing to enter bank or credit card information. It's prepaid, so you can only spend the amount loaded on it, which is a great way to control your budget and limit your exposure online. To get your virtual card safely, you have two primary, trusted methods. Method 1, buying a PaysafeCard PIN without an account. This is the simplest way for small amounts, typically under a certain limit which varies by country. First, you need to use an official and certified online seller. Check the PaysafeCard website for their list of authorized resellers in your region. This is crucial for safety. Never buy from an unverified source. Next, select the value of the card you want. You can usually choose from various denominations. You'll then proceed to check out and use your preferred payment method, like a debit card or another e-wallet, to purchase the voucher. The 16-digit PaysafeCard PIN will be instantly delivered to your email. You can then use this code directly on partner websites. Just select PaysafeCard as the payment method and enter your PIN. Simple as that. Method 2, using a MyPaysafe account. This method is recommended for higher payment limits and for managing your funds more easily. Start by visiting the official PaysafeCard website or downloading their app and registering for a MyPaysafe account. This is a quick and free process, but you will likely need to verify your identity to unlock all features, which adds a layer of security. Once your account is set up, you can buy your virtual codes directly within the app or on the website. Again, select the amount, pay with your chosen method, and the credit will be instantly added to your MyPaysafe balance. The great advantage of this method is that when you pay online, you simply log into your MyPaysafe account at the merchant's checkout instead of typing in the 16-digit code. This keeps all your PINs managed in one secure virtual wallet. To ensure your process is always safe, remember these 3 golden rules. 1. Only purchase your codes from the official website or certified partners. 2. Never give your 16-digit PaysafeCard PIN to anyone via email or over the phone. PaysafeCard employees will never ask for it. And 3. Treat your virtual PIN just like cash. Once it's used or compromised, it's gone. Following these steps ensures you can enjoy the security and privacy of paying with cash online. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.